humble by there was a spill, Jackie Renz, Ubaldo, on Blessed June, left and seated, left the heroes, humble by is running by the ring, flag ceremony, arrows for Mary, decide and comes Maywaga, Diamonds Wonder comes next, Magalang Dixie Gate, then followed over by number 2, Leonora's Best, while Bayu Data is the early trader by about 20 lengths of the leader, racing down the next branch. We have the Heroes, followed closely by Humble Pie in second. Arrows for Mary's racing in third. Desai is done in fourth, and in fifth, flag ceremony. Mahiwaga comes next, Magalang, Leonora's Best, Dixie Gate, Diamonds Wonder, while Bayo Data is still racing in less. And in the fourth turn, we have the Heroes enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Humble Pie is still in second. Arrows for Mary. Desai now trying to get closer in fourth. And entering the home stretch, we have the Heroes enjoying a 3 lengths lead. Humble Pie now moving up on the outside. Magalang is down on the inside. Leonora's Best is on the outside. We have the Heroes by about 3 lengths, followed by Leonora's Best, and finally the Heroes. Leonora's Best, Magalang, Humble Pie,